Guys, Kabir here. Today is a very special day for me and my family. We're going to get the delivery of our brand new G580 and CLE 300 Cabriolet. Not ready as of now. I have to change my t-shirt. I'm wearing these shorts and I'm ready. I need to fix my hair, my t-shirt. And after that, I'm going to be getting dressed in my final outfit, which is this beautiful Balenciaga hoodie. And before that, I've got to refresh myself. I'm going to be applying my amazing Dior Sauvage stick, and I like to mix this Paris Ben vanilla perfume with this beautiful bottle that I got gifted. So we're gonna get ready, and I will see you guys in 2 minutes. And we are ready. I've gotten into my hoodie, so I'm gonna be choosing a beautiful watch that I'm gonna wear today. I'll be wearing my beautiful Star Bomber watch. It's a really cool watch that we got from Dubai. Yeah. It's a beautiful yellow watch, and since I'm wearing yellow, I'm gonna be wearing this. I really love this watch, and it's the first time that I'm wearing it today. So now we're on our way to the showroom, and we're on ceilings right now. And so I'm traveling with my brother Sam and my sister Amrita, and I'm super pumped for the delivery. It's gonna be a good time, and I'm gonna show you the rest over there. So we're finally at Auto Hanger, and I'm going to be showing you all both of my beauties today. The one on the left is the CLE 300 Cabriolet, and this one on the right is the G580. Additionally, we've got two cars from our house over here as well. This one is the G63, the 2025 one that we took to Dubai and got it completely customized. As you can see, the car has beautiful 24-inch alloys, and we've got these beautiful carbon fiber parts that we got done in India. And as you can see, we've got this beautiful yellow leather inside the car. This is the only G-Wagon in India with yellow interiors. This was custom made for us in Dubai. Additionally, now I'll be showing you all the numbers that I got for my car. So this is the CLE's number, MH581. Since this car is a gift to my sister from my dad, this comes up to MH Saiba Bajaj 1. Which was a beautiful thought that we put into it, and then we got this number. Now there's a bit of a story behind this one. So in the G63, the number is MH55B1, which in a way comes to MH Swaranjit Singh Bajaj 1, my dad's name. So we thought, why not make it a pair? So we have one MH55B1, and we thought we'll make the second one MH55A1. So we had to specially jump the series and pay 3 times in order to get this number, but it's a beautiful number. As you guys can see, here's a bit of a sneak peek of the CLE and the numbers going in as well. I'm so happy and I'm so excited, God's grace. So the G-Wagon is also getting its plate fitted, and I'm super pumped. It's looking very nice. So enough about me. Abhi mere saath there's a very special person who's done something very special on my car. So the G580 is a beautiful car, लेकिन इसको अपना protection की ज़रूरत है. So Manjeet uncle, who's with us, he's the sole detailing Devils dealer in Mumbai, and he's got a beautiful showroom in Mumbai. Additionally, उन्होंने entire गाड़ी का PPF किया, Dragon PPF, which looks amazing, and मैं उनसे कुछ सुनना चाहूँगा.
पहले तो कबीर स्वर्ण पाजी इज लाइक एल्डर ब्रदर और तू मेरा सन ही है. थैंक्स मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए. जैसे डिटेलिंग डेवल्स का हमने पीपीएफ किया है इसके ऊपर, और डिटेलिंग डेवल्स वन अबाव है सबसे. तो बस बहुत अच्छा लगा कि अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है, और बस अभी प्रोटेक्टेड है 100%.
Let's go. I have to make you all meet more people now. How can I not show my brand? This is Punjab Sindh, and we've got everyone trying our products over here. With me, we've got Jiraji, whose review I want about the lassi.
बहुत मजा आया.
अच्छी है, अच्छी है.
बहुत अच्छी, गुड, टू गुड.
एक और पियोगे?
हाँ, एक और पीऊंगा मैं.
क्या बात है. One, two, three. Are you happy?
Yeah, 100%.
Which one is your favorite?
All three.
So now we've just taken the delivery and now we're finally heading home.
Thank you. बस यही बोलूँगा, God bless us all.
Bye, group. Car is now on and you can see we're ready to go. I'm just gonna connect CarPlay, I'm gonna set up everything and we're ready to go home. सीधा with the delivery, done with the fun. Now it's time to accessorize the car. We've now come to our favorite car accessories place, Car Touch Plus. So as you can see, the cars were already looking beautiful, but now we're going to go inside and have a look at what we're getting. So as you can see, we're getting carbon fiber trims inside the car, which will look bulky. This beautiful rear seat carbon fiber panel. So basically, you get a leather back, but we've replaced it with this beautiful carbon fiber one that we got imported to India. And as you can see, we're getting everywhere carbon here, carbon there. And with God's grace, we've just put our golden temple in the car, which is a very meaningful thing for us. Because without God's grace, this world cannot function. I have my belief a lot in God. Additionally, we've got our Thar over here as well. So, in our car, we got this cute Joker added, and we put one over here as well. But I don't know how, but one fell or got lost or something like that. So we're getting one more installed over here.
तो लगा पहले सीट का, सुनो, सीट के पीछे का लगा दो, सीट का लगा दो. So it's been a long day and I'm a bit tired, but I'm a little sad as well because now it's time to say goodbye to all of you. It's been a great day and a very emotional day for me, my dad, and things have just been great today. I'm so grateful to God for this G580, and I'm so grateful to all of you who have showered your love and blessings on me. So now it's time to say goodbye. I love each one of you. My uploads are going to be very regular, and see you soon, guys. Loads of love from me, my dad, and my G580.